Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to talk about you can speak English confidently. Let's dive into today's video. If you want to speak English confidently, you have to study English language every single day. You have to put English language in your daily life. If you do this regularly, you are going to learn English language and you can speak English language confidently. All you need to do is just create some time for yourself to study English language. Even if you have a busy life, even if you are working really hard for yourself, you have to create some time for studying English language. At least try to study English language 15 minutes every single day, and everything is going to be great for you. Eventually, you are going to speak English language confidently. There are some study methods for you to improve your English language. First of all, you need to start making your listening studying. Listening studying is really important for you to speak English language confidently, because every time you listen to English videos, you are going to learn new English words, you are going to expand your English vocabulary, and you are going to understand how native speakers pronouncing the English words, and after that you are going to start pronounce the English words correctly. Listening studying is going to help you to improve your English language. You should definitely watch English movies, English TV shows, English news channels, or you can watch YouTube videos. There are a lot of native speakers who has YouTube channel. If you follow to their channel, you are going to make your listening studying regularly, and after that you are going to start speaking English language confidently. Listening studying will definitely help you to improve your English language. These are going to help you to improve your English language. When you watch your English movies, English TV shows, English news channels, or when you are watching native speakers who has YouTube channels, you have to stop the video and you have to try to speak like them. This is really going to help you to improve your pronunciation skills. After you do this regularly, you are going to start pronounce the English words correctly. When you start making your practicing with native speakers, it'll be easier for them to understand you. It'll be easier for you to speak English language. When you are first trying to speak English language with native speakers, first time it is going to be really hard for you to pronounce the English words correctly, but every time you make your listening studying, it'll become easier for you to pronounce the English words correctly. When you first making your practicing with native speakers, of course you are going to make a lot of mistakes, and this is totally okay. You shouldn't be worried about making mistake when you speak English language. Everybody make mistakes when they are speaking English language. Even the native speakers are making a lot of mistakes when they are speaking English language. All you need to do is just try to make your practicing with native speakers every single day. You can use technology in a great way to improve your English language. There are a lot of amazing applications on the internet that you can find and you can upload to your phone, and you can start making your practicing with native speakers. You are going to make a lot of friends from another countries, and you are going to speak with them in your daily life. You are going to talk about any kind of topic that you want to speak about. If you are getting afraid of speaking English language, you are not going to improve your English language. Even if you are studying English language really hard, but you are not practicing English language, you are not going to be able to speak English language confidently. All you need to do is try to speak English language in your daily life. Even if you have a busy day, at least try to speak English language 15 minutes every single day, and you are going to see the differences in your English language, and you are going to realize that you can speak English language confidently. There is only one way for you to speak English language confidently, and that is speaking English language every single day without stopping. You need to speak English language every single day in your daily life, and this is going to help you to improve your English language. After you start speaking English language, after you making your listening studying every single day, you are going to speak English language confidently. After you make your practicing with native speakers, try to read some English books, English newspapers, English articles. These are going to help you to improve your English language. Every time you try to read English books, read English newspapers, you are going to learn new English words. You are going to expand your English vocabulary. After you expand your English vocabulary, it will be easier for you to speak English language. After you start reading a lot of English books, you are going to stop translating in your native language when you are speaking English language. You are going to start thinking English when you are speaking English language with native speakers. If I were you, I would definitely try to read some English books in my daily life, and this is going to help you to improve your English language. It takes a lot of effort to learn this language. If you are not going to study English language regularly, if you are not going to try to speak English language every single day, if you are not try to read your English books every single day, trust me, you are not going to learn English language. If you want to learn this language, you should definitely take some action in your life and try to study English language every single day in your daily life. You have to be really patient about learning English language. This is really takes some time. You are not going to learn English language in 1 week or 2 weeks. It really takes some time, and you have to be really patient about it. All you need to do is just try to make your English studying regularly. Just try to make your listening studying, your reading studying, your practicing with native speakers, and eventually you are going to learn English language. English language will definitely give you a lot of advantages. After you learn English language, you will be able to speak with people from all around the world, because a lot of people are speaking English language in almost every countries. If you have a chance, you should definitely visit another countries to speak English language confidently. First time it was really hard for me to speak English language because I was getting afraid of speaking English language, just because I was thinking that I was gonna make some mistakes when I speak English language. This was a really big mistake when I was first trying to learn English language. You shouldn't make this mistake in your life. You should always be confident when you are speaking English language. It's been like 12 years that I'm studying English language. Even right now, when I'm speaking English language in front of you, I am still making a lot of mistakes, and this is not a problem. This is a great chance for me to improve my English language. You shouldn't be afraid of speaking English language just because you are going to make mistakes in your life, and you shouldn't be like that. You should always be smart about learning English language. You should always try to speak English language with your friends from another countries, and eventually you are going to speak English language confidently. After you visit another countries, you are going to realize that you can speak English language with your friends from another countries. You are going to do everything by yourself. You are not going to need anybody's help. When you visit another countries, you are going to do everything by yourself just because you learn English language. and you are going to be really proud of yourself after you realize that you can speak English language with your friends from another countries, and this is going to make you really happy about it after you learn English language. I wish you guys best of luck. I hope you guys can learn English language. Like I said before, just try to study English language every single day. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will definitely help me to grow my channel. I'll see you guys in my another videos. Take care of yourself, everybody.